Diatonic chords and key signatures. What does diatonic mean? Chords, scales, pitches from a specific key. So this is, for example, if you're in C major, all of the notes inside the C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and the chords made from only those notes. If you go outside of those notes, you're no longer diatonic. You're non-diatonic or chromatic. So let's do chromatic verse diatonic. Over here, if we go to C, if we just play C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, that's all diatonic. I'll mark it in yellow. As soon as we get out of those notes, as soon as we get into any of these other pitches, you're no longer, those are chromatic notes or non-diatonic notes. If you're playing chromatically, it means you're using all of the notes. You're not necessarily in a specific key. You're just going up and down. Oftentimes, even if you're just in the key of C and you have one or two chromatic notes, sometimes that happens. Like often they'll use this note, so the sharp 4 or the flat 5 will get added in for different chords and things. So diatonic, specific key, is the chords, scales, and pitches from that key. And chromatic is just not necessarily in a specific key. All right, when you find diatonic chords, I've done this in class a bunch, but hopefully this makes sense. Let's say you're in the key of F, so that would be F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. The 1 chord would be built from the 1, first scale degree, and it would go 1, 3, 5. So it would be the 1, the 3, and the 5. So diatonic chords are stacked thirds built from scale degrees on every other pitch. So you're going to stack 1 on top of 3 on top of 5. Okay, the 2 chord would be right here, would be stacked on 2, 4, and 6. So here's where the 2 chord would start, on G in this case. So the 2 chord is 2, 4, 6. And the 3 chord would be 3, 5, 7. And I'll use colored dots here to help you imagine this. So the 3 chord would be 3, 5, whoa, hey now, 3, 5, 7. The 1 chord is your 1, 3, 5. And then your 2 chord is your 2, 4, 6. So here's 4, 6. If you don't understand this, you need to go backwards and check that out in the video one more time.